Guys, so on today's video we'll be replying to two video requests. One is how to send picture or video as documents on WhatsApp, and the other one is how to send picture or video as one's view on WhatsApp. So first of all, let me make a special shout out to those two wonderful persons. I want to make a shout out to Temitope, and I want to make a shout out to More Revelation. Okay, so Temitope reached out to me on Instagram. She said she was too shy to drop a comment in the comment section on YouTube, so she had to look for me on Instagram, and she just private chatted me. So I'll be replying to that video or that chat or that message here. And then More Revelation dropped in the comment section that she wants to know how to send a picture or video, or we should make a video showing people how to send pictures or video as one's view on WhatsApp. So we're replying to the both of them in this video. So let us start with how to send as document. We all know that when you send pictures or videos on WhatsApp reduces the video or picture quality. So, but when you send as documents, your quality is still intact, as your picture quality or your video quality is still intact. So I'll be showing us how to send as documents so that we would know how to send pictures or videos as documents, so that picture or video will still be fresh and shiny as ever. So stay till the end of this video, and don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and also don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Thank you. So to send as documents, that picture or video has to be in your files. So what you need to do first is to go to that picture or video, you click on it, and then you save it as files. You save to file, and then just click on save. Then you go to WhatsApp and go to that person's chat you want to send it to. So I'll just be sending to myself here. So you click on this plus icon here. When you click on it, it will bring out options. You would see documents there. Click on documents. When you click on that document, it will bring out your files, and then you would see the picture or video you just saved. Click on it. You can click on as many as possible. You can click on just one, anyhow you want to do it. If it's one you want to send, fine. If it's more than one, fine. So you click on it. After clicking on it, click on open. When you click on open, it will open the video or picture like this. Then you just press send, and that's all. That is it. This is the picture here you have just sent. So when you click on this thing, it will upload. It will load and it will open, and that's it. That's just all. It's as easy and as simple as that. So yeah, this is the picture we just sent. Okay, so that's for sending as document. So now let us see how to send as one's view on WhatsApp also. So to send as one's view, you go to that person's chat and you click on camera. So go to the picture you want to use, then you click on that one sign there. You see photo is now set as one's view. So now you just send it to the person, and there you have it. It is sent as one's view. Once the person opens it, that's the end. The picture is gone. Okay, so we hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to drop your own video request also, and if it is something we can do, we promise to get back to you like this also. So if you can't drop a comment in the comment section on YouTube, which would actually be the best, but you can also reach out to me on Instagram. My name is also Empress Bassey on Instagram, so you can also reach out to me there and let us know your video request, and if it is something we can do, like I said, we would make sure to do that. Thank you. Have an amazing day. Bye.